Alright guys, we're going to do something a little bit different today. You guys remember me showing you how oily, nasty, and greasy this thing is. And the fact that that's cracked the entire way, well, I'm going to try and get a bunch of this oil and grease burned off of it. This side's pretty bad. So I'm going to take the weed burner, a little preheat, and see what we can get burned out of this. And I have window tint laying underneath the excavator. Have to go see what that's about. Can't remember if I showed you guys this the last time. See how much slop is in there? Yeah, I gotta fix that. It's my index finger. No more bushing left in that guy, or that one, or that one. The drive sprockets aren't much better. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think there's some wear there. So I gotta go dig through my manual for this and see what's what. See if there's anything related to diametral pitch for any of this stuff. Build it back up. And I gotta do something about the track pins. They're all kind of worn into a Z shape. I have to mention I still got to replace half the turntable bolts yet that are broke off, so I got a bunch of work for this machine this summer. So I got to go do some research, dig through my manuals. Yeah, there's that one. It's not even in this trackpad. And see about getting a bunch of this stuff done up and fixed. I really don't want to know how much chain is going to cost for this, but I might not have a choice. As you can tell, it's about to its max adjustment. So we're just going to have to see what happens with this. That and all the drive dogs on the bottom of the tracks are wore out pretty good too. All those got to get built back up. Not to mention a bunch of other exciting stuff. So stay tuned for a bunch of videos coming on this thing, along with getting the car trailer rebuild done, and yeah, 600 4x4 and a whole bunch of other stuff that hasn't reared its ugly head yet. I'll just have to wait and see what happens this year. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody.